Hello, today we are going to continue with operator precedence. Here we are going to remind ourselves what is called MDAS, which is mathematics. So you have to know some mathematics here. Precedence represents the order in which operators from the same expression are being evaluated. So when several operators are used together, the operators with high precedence are evaluated before those with the lower precedence. In general, the operators' precedence follows the same rules as in high school math. The order of the precedence is indicated in the following table. We have operator, then precedence. Unary operators or bitwise not. This is used in Microsoft SQL Server only. Then we have multiplication and division. This is the order. Addition, subtraction, and concatenation, which is the third. Then you have SQL conditions. Operator precedence array. This is multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So multiplication and division take priority over addition and subtraction. And operators of the same priority are evaluated from left to right. Parentheses are used to force prioritized evaluation and to clarify statements. Here we have examples. So now we are going to study mathematics. Before we continue, let's come here, remind ourselves some mathematics. So we said MDAS stands for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. It is a part of the order of operations, a collection of rules that gives a sequence for simplifying mathematical operations. Here, let's look at some examples. We have 7 minus 3 plus 8 times 5. This expression involves subtraction, addition, and multiplication. So according to MDAS, simplify or multiplication or division before adding or subtracting. So therefore, we start by simplifying 8 times 5, which will give us 40. Then we write the expression using 40 here. 7 minus 3 plus 40. Then since these operations are equal in power, we say that subtraction and addition are of the same power. So we read from the left to the right and simplify the first operation, which is 7 minus 3. Then since 7 minus 3 equal to 4, you write the expression using 4. Then you solve 4 plus 40, which will give us 44. So therefore, 7 minus 3 plus 8 times 5 can be simplified to 44. We can have another example here. 24 divide by 4 times 3. This expression involves division and multiplication. Since both operations are equal in power, we read the expression from left to right and simplify the first operation, which is 24 divided by 4. Then, since 24 divided by 4 equals 6, we'll write the expression using 6. Next, we solve 6 times 3, which is this one. Then 6 times 3, it is 18. So we can 24 divided by 4 times 3 can be simplified to 18. Here we have a third example. 6 plus 10 times 2 divided by 4. This expression involves addition, multiplication, and division. 6 plus 10 times 2 divided 4 according to MDAS. Simplify all multiplication or division before adding or subtracting. So reading the expression from left to right, start by multiplying 10 by 2. Since 10 times 2 equal 20, you will write the expression using 24. The two operations remaining in the expression are addition and division. Then, according to MDAS, simplify all multiplication or division before adding or subtracting. Therefore, simplify 20 divided by 4. Since 20 divided by 4 equal to 5, you write the expression using 5. Next, solve 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. Therefore, 6 plus 10 times 2 divided by 4 can be simplified to 11. So you can practice this question. Simplify the following using MDAS. 4 plus 3 times 1 plus 6 minus 1. The correct answer is this one, 12. Why? Because MDAS is part of the order of operations PEMDAS, which means parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Multiplication and division need to be completed before addition and subtraction. For this example, the first step is 3 times 1. Then from here only addition and subtraction are left. So simplify, move from left to right. This simplifies to 12. So we are going to use our table customers. Then we check this operator precedence. Okay. Let's say, for example, we want the salary. We want the salary of everyone to be added 100 and be multiplied by 2, for example. Let's use our database sales. use sales, then we select our database, which is customers. So here you can see it is not the database which is said, which is there, that is master. Then let's use this one. You can see it has gone there. Then we should find our records here. Now we want we are going to select three columns. Number one, we want the names of the customer. Select C last name, C last name, then C last name, C first name, C first name, C salary, C salary from. Then we want to multiply the salary by 2. We put C salary we multiply it by 2, then we add maybe 100 for example, then from customers, so let's execute. For example, let's see the expected result. We take the C salary of this Kaze, which is 2000, multiply by 2, and we add 100. So by remembering that multiplication comes first, then addition comes after, which means that this will be multiplied by 2, which will be 4000, then plus 100, which will be 4100. Let's see if it will be like that. Okay, you can see, yeah. Here we can say that let's take the salary of the customer, we divide it by 2, then we add 100, for example. We divide the salary by 2, then we add 100. You can see what has happened. We can also say that you want the salary of let's say we want the smallest salary, divide by the by 2, for example, or let's use the highest one, highest salary divide by 2, then we add the highest salary times 10. Let's use the smallest here. Times 10. So this expression can this can be written highest salary. Let's select the previous one, the highest salary. Here it is 10,000. Is 10,000. Then divide by 2 plus the smallest salary, which is 1,500. Then times 10. Now let's use our syntax. This one. Then we take this here. This is salary divide by 1. So we want to add, not divide. We want to add. We want to increase the salary by doing this. Okay. Here, first of all, we have how many operators? 1, 2, 3, 4 operators. So let's execute, then we see. You can see the salary has been increased. So we can put another alias to name this one by saying, for example, as new salary, new salary, in order to have the name here. Okay, you can see here. So I hope that you have understood how the order is evaluated. Order. So let's see how this was evaluated. We said that the parentheses can be put there to reinforce the standard order of precedence and to improve the clarity. So here I have put the parentheses, C salary plus, then we put the parentheses here, then here also we put the parentheses. Then let's see our expectation. We have the salary of Kaze, which is 2000. Then we take 2000, we add the 10,000 divided by 2, which is equal to 5,000. We add 1,500 times 10, which will be 15,000. Then in total it will be 22,000. So let's execute this one. You can see this 22. So it is better to put parentheses for the clarity, to improve the clarity. So thank you for watching. This is the use of operator precedences. So see you next time by seeing the use of SQL constraints.